Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are revisiting the Choc Anon Mango. We have tasted a few of these before. I don't know that we had a really good tasting. This is one that we grew ourselves this year, and so we figure that's going to give us the most honest evaluation of at least how ours are. So Choc Anon has a reputation for some call it the miracle mango. It's one that supposedly gets 2 sets of fruit per year. That's not been our experience with Choc Anon, but anyway, our tree is kind of young and it's in a part of the yard that doesn't get the best care. It's not on irrigation, so maybe in better situations it would produce more, but
And I had this one year, the first time I had it, it was at Fruit and Spice Park, and the fruit said ChocAnon, and they had it on their tasting table, and it tasted just like lemon meringue. And I'm convinced now that what I ate was a lemon meringue mango, that they must have picked them up and it just got mislabeled.
It's shaped very much like a lemon meringue PPK mango. Yeah. I think this is a Thai mango. It has a very I can't identify that smell.
Honey?
I smelled other mangoes with that smell. It's a good smell, but I can't.
It's in a lot of Thai mangoes.
Maybe that's it. Maybe it smells like Thai mango.
Reminds me a little bit of Okrung mango.
Yeah, it does. It's got that's another Thai mango with a good Thai flavor. That's very good. That's maybe a little bit of papaya to it.
I didn't get that.
And I don't like papaya, but it's not bad. It's not a. To me, sometimes a lot of papaya is too much of a musty flavor to it, and it's just a hint of that, but it's not strong.
The texture's like those Asian fruit gel things, like
Oh,
the
yeah.
little beetle food.
Well, it's not beetle food to anybody but us, but
They sell it for beetle food,
I know,
right?
but who would know that except us? I used to raise beetles, so I bought it for beetle food, but the little gel things in the little cups. But yeah, that's good. I like that.
I like that
it's
too.
unique.
We don't have a CSCM tree, and that I really like that. And I think this takes the place of the other Thai mangoes. This is sweet and floral, and a little bit of honey flavor, like floral honey.
Yeah. And like I said, a slight bit of maybe some papaya, maybe some cantaloupe.
I'm not getting that.
Yeah.
But I like the texture of it.
Yeah, it's got kind of a
smooth but dense.
It's not it's not rubbery, but it's
a little bit of fiber near the seed.
It's closer to rubbery than
rubbery, but not in a bad way.
Yeah.
A little bit of fiber near the seed.
Maybe slight lemony, but like lemonade, not like
no
tartness at all, but a very mild, mild lemony.
Lemon floral honey.
Yeah, that's very good. So that's just by far the best ChocAnon that we've had. Yeah, like I said, it hasn't fruited more than once for us, but
I haven't noticed any disease issues on the fruit though.
Well, and as I said, this is one that's in the back of our property where it gets very little attention. The squirrels have been getting it this year because they come in from the woods in the neighbor's yard. It's right on the edge. And yet, despite having no irrigation and getting beat up by everything, it didn't produce a lot, but it's still the tree's only 4 feet tall maybe. Yeah. And but yeah, no disease issues.
Be good with sticky rice.
Yeah, it would be good with sticky rice. So anyway, I'm going to gnaw on the seed of this one.
What would you rate this mango?
That's a solid 8.5 to 9.
Oh, I was gonna say solid 8.
I think it's a little.
And I would keep the tree.
Yeah.
8.5.
Well, just because it's different
Than other stuff.
from a
we have.
lot of our other ones that we have. We have a lot of ones that are really sweet, a lot of really good citrusy ones, coconutty ones, and we love all of those. But this is, like you said, this is kind of like the
CSCM.
CSCM that was, we had at Fruit and Spice Park that we really like. It's just unique. It's different. It's got a different texture, a different flavor.
I like this a little bit better because that's that slight lemon component that the CSCM.
It's a little sweeter
didn't
too,
have.
I think. Than, well, yeah, it's still got that same. And near the seed, you want to take a little bite? Or near the seed, that's got a good little different flavor there.
It's more lemon candy, but mild.
That's really good. It's got a really refreshing flavor. Yeah, real fresh, which we joke about because a lot of people talk about if there's a fruit that really doesn't have any good flavor.
Wax
jambu is a good example. They always refer to it as refreshing. It tastes like you're drinking a glass of water. And
now we're going to get all hating comments from people who love wax
I've had
jambu.
some decent syzygiums before. I've had some rose apple that was not bad. I've had a wax jambu before that was, but for the most part, it tastes like nothing. It's water with
Crunchy and refreshing.
Crunchy and refreshing, but it's not good. It's just refreshing. So refreshing is not always a good thing, but in this case, that's good. That's very pleasant.
Yeah.
So yeah, all right. Well, good. So I'm glad we tried this again, and it knocked ChocAnon up a few notches for me. And so, by all means, if you get a chance, try a good one. This was one we also let ripen really well on the tree, and it was very fully yellow and ripe when we just ate it. And you can see it yellowed up really nice. But anyway, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack, put the sack up on my back.